Welcome to this instructional video on how to use the Will Autonomous Service. To begin, review the requirements for use on the station panel. Place your luggage in the storage basket and sit down. Next, select a language. Read the notes and press the Start Service button. Select your destination and press Start. The device will transport you to your destination. There is no need to operate while moving. In the event of an obstruction, the device will stop automatically. And when you reach your destination, the device will stop. When it is safely parked, you can get out the device without pressing anything on the screen. Please do not forget to pick up your luggage. The vehicle will autonomously return to the designated area.